So this should be a really fast mini lesson because chances are you've already done simple subject and predicate and maybe even complete subject and predicate. Compound is really the same thing, expanded, and it just means that you have more than one subject or more than one predicate. So here we are at IXL's mini lesson. Let's just go through it together. Starting right up here. So every sentence has a complete subject and a complete predicate. When the complete subject is compound, two or more simple subjects are joined by a conjunction and share the same predicate. Robert and his classmates will be attending the ballet performance. Each simple subject in the compound subject tells who will be attending a ballet performance. So remember, I tend to do it like this. I look for the verb first, or the predicate. In this case, it is will be attending. I say, okay, who will be attending? Well, Robert and his classmates. It's compound because there's more than one. If it had just been Robert, that'd be simple. Classmates, also simple, but two together is compound. Now, it works the same way for the predicate. When you've got a compound predicate, two or more simple predicates are joined by a conjunction and they share the same subject. So in this case, when I ask, the what, who's doing what, so what happened is, well, they woke up late and arrived at work on time. All of these things have to do with what Sarah did. So let's try a couple. I always start by finding the predicate, and that works fine here because they want us to find the predicate. So here we go. Here's how that's going to work. It says, Shelby searched the attic but couldn't find anything. All right, so what happened? I've got searched and couldn't find. That would be the simple predicate, but now I want the complete compound predicate, so any words that have to do with searched and find. Well, I searched the attic, and but couldn't find anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that sounds about right, and it is. Now, 4 words that make up the compound subject. I'm going to find the predicate first. I always do that, and in this case, it is will cut. And so you just ask, who will cut? Well, Jacob, I, and then the words that go along with them, either Jacob or I. So these 4 words are the words that make up the compound subject. Another subject, 5 words that make up the compound subject. I'm going to find that predicate first. Okay, what happened is ruined. So I say who or what ruined the day at the beach? Well, the cold fog and the wind. But then any other words about them? Yep, the cold fog. And the and that joins them, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That works for me. These 5 words would be the compound subject. And that's as simple as it is, kids. Find out what's happening in the sentence. That's your predicate. And just see if there's more than one thing. That would be a compound predicate. You find out who's doing that predicate, you've got a subject. If it's more than one something or someone doing it, then it's a compound subject. Have fun.